Let's take a look at who's in the meeting. If we look in the upper right hand corner, we'll see a little symbol with a couple of people in it with a number representing how many people are currently in this meeting. If we click on that icon, we'll then be able to see all of the different people listed who are in this meeting. Currently, we only have 2 people that are listed here. If someone forgot to mute themselves, I can go to that particular person, click on the drop-down menu, and then hit their microphone for them. And that will mute that person. It will give me the opportunity to ask, are you sure you want to mute them? And then I can click mute. And now that sounds much better. I also have the opportunity to use the pin in order to pin their video on my main screen. If I click it one more time, I can then unpin it. But then I can also remove that person from the meet by clicking on the minus sign that's in the circle. And if I click on it, it will ask me if I am sure that I want to remove them from the call. And I can either remove them or not. The chat is located in the upper right-hand corner next to the people button, or it's also located here next to the time. So if I click on it, I'll then be able to type in a message to everyone who's in the classroom. I can also use emojis in the Google Meet chat by right-clicking in the chat and selecting emoji. Once I select emoji, I'll then get a pop-up that has a bunch of different emojis that when I click on them, they will then automatically be pasted into the chat, and I can click either enter or I can click on the airplane to send that message out to the classroom. In order to close the chat, I can then just click on the X.